Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.56 trillion. We have seen quite a bit of a retracement occurring in the markets over the last 24 hours. We are down 8% in the last 24 hours, guys. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.1%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, mainly in the last 24 hours. And the main reason as to why we're seeing this much red across the board is because Bitcoin was unable to stay above that $60,300 mark that I was talking about. And we did see Bitcoin continue to see more downwards momentum occur. But again, even after all that occurred, guys, it's very, very normal, guys. Very normal because we need to keep in mind that these markets are manipulated and they're unregulated. So you never know which time, day, or when these whales will come and try to manipulate the markets and really shake out the weak hands. You cannot, you cannot predict that, and that's exactly what we are seeing happen right now. But again, very normal. Let's not forget that these last 1 month and a half has been nothing but bullishness for the entire cryptocurrency space. We're seeing major mass adoption coming into the space. Recently, we saw crypto.com and the Staples Center come up with a partnership, guys. That's very, very big, guys. That is speaking where this market is going and where this future is really headed. So corrections are needed before we do see continuous rise, but one step at a time, nothing to worry about in my personal opinion. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Solana. All right, my Solana family, first off, before I even get into this video, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that have been absolutely killing it with the amount of support that you guys have been showing me. I love you all, just literally from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I do this for you guys. So always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. So keep supporting me and I'm going to keep on making these videos for you guys. But now if we are looking at the Solana price, we are below that $200 mark, guys. We are currently sitting at 194.78 cents. We are down 10% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 3.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is still holding at that top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $59 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $4 billion. So one thing to keep in mind, and something that should definitely be pointed out to you guys, is that the 24-hour trading volume has literally doubled since yesterday's video. So that's an interesting thing that we need to keep in mind. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, let's not forget this part. VeChain, I'm sorry, not VeChain, Solana is still up 9,100% in the last 1 year, and it's still by far one of the best performing assets in the crypto space. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But now let's get right into the charts and see what's going on with Solana's price and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, my Solana family, as you guys can see, Solana has broken below this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we're back into this 31.8. We were in this 31.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We did manage to get back into this 23.6, but you guys know Bitcoin has seen further pullback occur from that $6,300 mark, and we saw Bitcoin go all the way to $55,700 mark. And I said this, if you guys did not watch my video last night, I said if Solana, I'm sorry, not Solana, if Bitcoin was unable to get back above and close the day above this level of support, guys, we do have more downwards momentum that could possibly occur. And that's exactly what we're seeing happen right now. And if you guys don't know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the market. So if Bitcoin has these kind of moves, like, the entire market is going to follow. And that's exactly what we're seeing happen right now. and obviously Solana is no exception. But one thing to keep in mind, guys, if you are a Solana holders, you do not want to be ignoring this part, and that is, even though we have seen Bitcoin, let me bring the Bitcoin chart for you guys real quick. Even though we have seen Bitcoin, have a retracement of about 20% since its all-time high, guys. As you guys can see, 20%, retracement since all-time high. We have seen Solana hold quite strongly. Not even quite's an understatement, guys. Solana has held a very, very strongly, during these dips, and even prior to this correction, when we saw other corrections earlier, we saw Solana outperform and not even be impacted by the Bitcoin correction occurring. And that, guys, that should speak a lot of volume, and that just says a lot of the overall momentum of Solana. And like, these are the examples, these are the perfect examples that really goes to show what Solana really is doing and how strong the community really is. I always on a daily basis come and remind you guys, hey guys, if you are a Solana holder, if you are in for the long haul, if you're not here for the short term, staking might be the best option for you, because not only will you gain more Solana, your overall holding gets bigger because your rewards get compounded. So that's why you should be staking it. And 77.37% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. And always mention to you guys this one thing, Solana, only there's about 23% of Solana on the exchanges to be purchased. And it's a basic economic rule, supply and demand. When there's massive demand and there's low supply, what happens to the price? The price shoots up. And this is the perfect example right in front of us. We are seeing the leading indicator, the king, Bitcoin, having a correction, about a 20% correction, but we're still seeing Solana still hovering up around this 23.6 range, guys. That is very, very bullish. And that really shows that we are seeing, a major supply shock occurring in Solana price. And as Bitcoin starts having its reversal back, have a turnaround back towards the 6,300 and break above it, I do see Solana getting up really fast back to newer all-time highs. What me personally want to see Solana do right now is get back into this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level and get above this level of resistance at this $218 mark. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that is about 10% move towards the upside. And also, one thing to keep in mind, guys, is that Solana is not the only coin that is down 10% right now in the last 24 hours. So, obviously we are going to see some of these, trolls come out and say, oh my God, Solana is down 10%. Look at the overall markets, guys. Look at the overall markets. Educate, yourself. I'm not saying this to my regular viewers, my day one supporters. I'm saying to the trolls that always come and that think the price is only gonna go up, shoot up straight to the moon. I'm sorry to say that's not how it works. Patience is very much needed, and we do need to, monitor Bitcoin's price on a daily basis to really, see what is going to happen with the overall markets. But so far, so good, guys. Solana holders, if you are holding, hodl strong. You do not want to be shaken out during these, weak times, because at the end of the day, whales try to manipulate the markets to shake out the weaker hands so they can pick up more coins at the cheaper price. And you do not want to be getting shaken out, because projects like Solana, guys, yes, short term we could see price pull back 10, 20, 30%. But long-term perspective, guys, you cannot put a price target, especially on projects like Solana, the ones that are here to stay and that are really competing with Ethereum and giving Ethereum some major competitive advantage. And these are the projects that are here to stay, definitely. And we are about to see crazy price action occurring as we close out this year, including for Solana. And I will, I'm very a strong believer that we are going to see newer all-time highs for Solana very, very soon. But we just need to have patience in this market. So far, so good. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now. Bitcoin dominance is still hovering around this 44 to 43% mark. Nothing crazy going on, so we'll take that. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see Solana price go at the end of this year? And also let me know if you agree with my thoughts as to why Solana is holding quite strong and how I'm extremely bullish on Solana. And let me know in the comment section below if you agree with that. And that is it for today's update, guys. I love you all. Before I end this video, I want to say thanks once again to each and every one of you guys that has literally been supporting and absolutely killing it with the level of support. I love you all. You know, literally, like, words can't describe how happy I am with the support that you guys are showing me. Crypto ZX channel is going to the moon, guys, and we're going to hit 100,000 subscribers and beyond that. So keep supporting me, and we are going to go to the moon together. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, that is like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.